Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your photographs on your Xiaomi phone with a password or some sort of protection pin. So I have to enter this in before I can actually see the photographs in here. Now to do this, this is going to be separate than the settings for view hidden albums right here. I want to go to the top right, go to settings, scroll on down to fingerprint, face data, and screen lock. Then go to privacy protection. So if you can't find it under here, just type in privacy protection password under search. And then we can turn this on, and then we have to type in some sort of pin. And I believe this pin can be different than your main pin or pattern. Now we can go on down. We can use the fingerprint to unlock, which would be a lot quicker, but we can go to photos. Turn this on. It says your private photos will be stored here. Go to use. And here's my hidden folders. We can go back. I want to go on over to albums, so I can't do this under photographs. I need to go to albums and swipe on down from the top. Release. Go to cancel. And then do your pattern pin. And your photo should be in here now. That's how you get there. So you can move photos in there. If you hold down on it, go to add album. There's an option for private album on the top. You can just go to OK. Swipe down in albums. So that photo should be in here now. Sometimes it doesn't allow me to swipe down. Cancel. And here's the photo, should be in there now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.